Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. First, we write the table of 2. Today, we start our math book. Open your math book. We already complete the page number 8, 8, 9, and 10. Then we start page number. Today, we solve math book page number 11 and 12. First we write date, CW, day. Follow the path from 0 to 20 by joining number in sequence. हमने 0 से लेकर 20 तक ज्वाइन करना है नंबर्स को एक सीक्वेंस के साथ. Our start point is this and our stop point is this. We start now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We joining numbers 0 to 20 with sequence 0 to 20. Then we start our next page. We write date. First we write date, CW, and day. Write from 0 to 30. 0 से लेकर 30 तक हमने काउंटिंग यहाँ राइट करनी है. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20, 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30, 3, 0, 30. We start 0 and stop 30. You complete your home task and color this picture. Color this picture. My dear students, आपने अपना होम टास्क कंप्लीट करने के बाद इस पिक्चर को कलर करना है और बहुत खूबसूरत तरीके से करना है. अल्लाह हाफिज़ my dear students.